Pollution is beautiful. Its presence in the sky gives us pretty sunsets, splashing gorgeous colors through the clouds. Pollution is nature's way of weeding out sick and injured people, contributing to healthier populations. It's not the planet's fault that some people's asthma and other pulmonary diseases are exacerbated by air contaminants. One might ask whether it's appropriate to pass anti-pollution laws with all the added expense to industry, just to make a few people more comfortable while breathing. In the water, pollution serves to protect us from our enemies, as the corrosive chemicals we pump into the ocean will destroy the hulls of foreign submarines, killing their sailors. It's not your fault if you've been laboring under the assumption that toxic materials in the land, sea, and air are bad. Unfortunately, many children learn at school that pollution is harmful to planet Earth and all living creatures. This propaganda is a ploy by ill-informed citizens who are being duped by the organic cartel in an effort to cripple our great nation's economy. As a result, you may have been tricked into doing your part to protect the environment, such as taking your used automotive oil to a waste collection facility instead of dumping it down the drain. Or perhaps you have stopped using convenient plastic disposable water bottles and now are forced to carry around a heavy, reusable bottle or drink out of a commuter cup. Even if you are unemployed and find that drinking out of the commuter cup makes you sad. Therefore, using disposable bottles means you won't need to spend money on weekly psychoanalysis sessions. Pollution in the air, soil, or water is a constant reminder that the wheels of commerce are rolling along just fine. Without smog pouring out of our vehicle tailpipes, factory smokestacks, and container ships, there would be no national highway system and no international trade. We'd become an isolationist nation, cut off from all the cheap products made in foreign countries. Ongoing vigorous pollution ensures that our economy is the strongest on Earth. In fact, our biggest and most financially successful oil companies earn sufficient profits to allow them to hire the country's most ingenious scientists. Their researchers have discovered microorganisms able to live off of the toxic oil sludge our auto mechanics dump down the sewer. The microorganisms also clean up oil spills when a tanker springs a leak or sinks. Other life forms prosper from pollution too. For example, the more nitrogen we pump into the air, the faster our plants will grow. Bigger crop yields allow us to feed more people. And the next time you get angry at the destruction caused by a large wildfire or a huge factory belching smog into the sky above your city, remember that air pollution results in much prettier sunsets. If you enjoyed this report, consider sharing it with like-minded friends and tapping the like button so YouTube will share it with more people. Subscribe to Nice Planet to make sure you see each new video. Thanks for watching.